Welcome to our video series on Docker CI/CD. In this series, we will cover essential Docker concept and how to implement CI/CD pipeline using Docker, using Bitbucket pipelines. So let's start. What is basic Docker? Initially, it took time for me to understand what actually Docker. You need to know three main things to understand what is Docker. So as you can see here, so Docker is a tool that make it easier to create, deploy, and run application. It does this by using something called container. So this is the container. Think a container as a box. Inside this box, you have everything your application needs to run. This includes your application itself, the programming language it's written, any libraries it uses, and any other software it needs to run. So this box or container is created from a blueprint, which is Docker, is called as an image. So this is the image. So this image tells Docker what needs to be inside the container. Simple as that. Or think this as a CD where you store data or some music files or video files. So this, when you play, the music plays. So this image, when you run in the Docker, it tells what are the things, what are the layers. So I need PHP, I need .NET, I need MySQL services, all these things. So the great thing about this is that because everything the application needs run inside the container, it will run on any computer that can run a Docker, regardless of any operating system or any other software installed on the computer. So when you think about Docker, just think about three things which is mostly talked and mostly used: Docker file, Docker image, and Docker container. Docker file, I'll come back to that, but just remember these three things. Thank you.